Welcome to our roundup of the best car scan tools. Essential diagnostic devices designed to help drivers identify vehicle problems, monitor system performance, and maintain their cars more efficiently. Whether you're checking engine warning lights, diagnosing electrical issues, or performing regular maintenance, a reliable car scan tool can make troubleshooting faster, easier, and more accurate. Modern scan tools come with full system diagnostics, live data monitoring, bidirectional controls, battery testing, ECU access, and advanced service functions for better vehicle analysis. Many models also include wireless connectivity, touchscreen displays, auto-VIN detection, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicle brands for improved convenience and usability. Choosing the right scan tool can help reduce repair costs, improve maintenance efficiency, and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car scan tools available right now. Starting with the ThinkCar ThinkScan 689 scan tool. This model is a great option for users looking for advanced professional-level diagnostics, bidirectional control support, and extensive vehicle compatibility for more detailed troubleshooting tasks. It typically features OE-level full-system diagnostics that allow users to access engine, ABS, transmission, airbag, and many additional vehicle modules more efficiently. Many versions include over 30 maintenance functions such as oil reset, EPB reset, injector coding, and battery registration for advanced repair work. The large touchscreen display and fast processing system improve usability and scanning speed during operation. Its support for CAN-FD and DOIP protocols makes it compatible with many newer vehicles and modern automotive systems. Additionally, it delivers fast diagnostic performance and detailed system analysis across different vehicle brands. It also improves troubleshooting capability, enhances professional functionality, and supports advanced automotive diagnostics. Next up is the Incel DS500BT scan tool, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced diagnostic performance, wireless usability, and convenient vehicle monitoring across different automotive systems. This model typically features Bluetooth connectivity that allows users to operate the scanner wirelessly through a tablet or smartphone for greater flexibility during diagnostics. The advanced scanning system helps users read and clear fault codes, monitor live data, and access multiple vehicle systems more efficiently. Many versions include service reset functions and real-time vehicle data monitoring for better maintenance support. Its compact design and intuitive interface make it suitable for both DIY users and more experienced mechanics. Additionally, it provides stable scanning performance and consistent diagnostic accuracy during regular use. It also improves flexibility, enhances user convenience, and supports practical vehicle maintenance tasks. Moving on to the Topton Car Scan tool. This model is known for its modern diagnostic features, reliable performance, and strong compatibility across a wide range of vehicle brands and models. It typically features full system scanning combined with real-time data monitoring, allowing users to identify issues more accurately and efficiently. Many versions include touchscreen interfaces, wireless connectivity, and advanced maintenance functions that improve overall usability and functionality. The responsive software system helps provide quicker diagnostics and smoother navigation during operation. Its durable construction and advanced diagnostic support make it suitable for home garages and professional workshop environments alike. Additionally, it delivers dependable scanning performance and accurate system analysis across multiple vehicle platforms. Stepping up in performance, the Autel Maxicom MK808S scan tool offers a strong balance of professional diagnostic capability, advanced maintenance functions, and user-friendly operation for demanding automotive work. This model typically features comprehensive system diagnostics that allow users to access engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and additional vehicle systems with greater detail and precision. The powerful processor and touchscreen display help improve scanning speed and overall responsiveness during operation. Many versions include advanced service functions such as oil resets, EPB service, TPMS resets, injector coding, and throttle adaptation for more complete vehicle maintenance support. Its wireless connectivity and regular software updates help maintain compatibility with newer vehicles and evolving automotive technologies. Additionally, it delivers efficient diagnostic performance and reliable troubleshooting accuracy across different vehicle brands. Taking the top spot is the Foxwell Car Scanner tool, a highly reliable and user-friendly option designed for fast diagnostics, dependable performance, and practical everyday vehicle troubleshooting. This model typically features plug-and-play functionality that allows users to connect quickly and begin scanning without complicated setup procedures. The clear display and simple interface help users read fault codes, monitor live vehicle data, and perform emissions checks more conveniently. Many versions include built-in DDC libraries, battery monitoring, freeze-frame analysis, and live sensor data support for improved diagnostics. Its compact handheld design makes it easy to store inside a toolbox or vehicle for quick access when needed. The durable construction helps improve long-term reliability during regular use. Additionally, it delivers fast scanning results and consistent diagnostic accuracy across multiple vehicle brands and systems. It also stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and overall value for everyday automotive diagnostics. All of these car scan tools serve different needs depending on diagnostic depth, advanced features, and user experience. The ThinkCar ThinkScan 689 model offers professional-grade diagnostics and advanced bidirectional controls. The Incel DS500BT model provides flexible wireless scanning and practical usability. The Topton model delivers modern functionality and dependable performance across different systems. The Autel Maxicom MK808S model offers advanced maintenance functions and strong professional capability. And the Foxwell scanner stands out as the most balanced and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car scan tools. From beginner-friendly diagnostic devices to advanced professional scanners designed for deeper vehicle analysis and maintenance support. Whether you're troubleshooting warning lights, monitoring vehicle performance, or handling more advanced repair tasks, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which scan tool you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your vehicle running smoothly with the right car scan tool.